Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a boomerang from live photo on iPhone. But before I show you that, please subscribe to my channel. So what you want to do is open up your camera app and make sure the live is turned on. Then just take a picture like moving, and this is the image. And then go to it, click on the top left, and then you click on bounce. And basically now the image will be bouncing as you took that photo. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.